Hello, food lovers. Welcome back to the ingredient channel where we exploring exciting and easy homemade Chinese recipes together. Today, we're embarking on a culinary adventure as I attempt to make shrimp dumplings using rice paper. While this recipe is relatively simple, I discovered a few tips and improvements along the way that I'm excited to share with you. Let's start with the filling. First, take 12 medium shrimp, already peeled and deveined, and chop them finely. Then cut 4 more shrimp into 1 centimeter segments. This will add a nice chewiness and enhance the seafood flavor. Mix the shrimp together and set them aside. Next, I like to incorporate some vegetables, and today I'm using celery. Make sure to use the green part of the celery for the color. Don't waste the white part or any leftover celery. Pair it with any remaining shrimp to make a delicious celery shrimp salad. I've linked the recipe in the description below. Chop the celery and squeeze out the celery juice thoroughly. Now add a pinch of black pepper to the shrimp, a pinch of salt, mix, half teaspoon of oyster sauce, and mix well. Then add half a teaspoon of starch, mix in the chopped celery, finally 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix everything together and set it aside. Lightly grease a plate to hold the dumplings. Here's a tip. Using parchment paper on the shelf would have been a better choice to prevent water from accumulating at the bottom during steaming. For the wrapper, we're using 3 sheets of round rice paper. Cut each sheet into quarters. To wrap the dumplings, quickly dip a piece of rice paper in cold water. Fold in each corner. Place the filling in the center. Lift and fold one side with small wrinkles. And then fold the opposite side over and seal it. Let me show you another wrap from a different angle with a closer look. A lesson learned here: one layer of rice paper is quite thin and delicate to work with. Next time, I would use 2 layers together for a sturdier wrap. I followed these instructions from some online recipes and definitely learned a lot. Finally, rub a bit of cooking oil on each dumpling. Now steam the dumplings over boiling water on high heat for 6 minutes. While we're steaming, let's prepare the dipping sauce. Mix 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half a tablespoon of dark rice vinegar, and 3 teaspoons of our secret homemade chili oil. I've linked the chili oil recipe in the video description as well. After 6 minutes, it's time for the taste test. The filling is fresh and flavorful, and though the wrapper is a bit too thin, it comes close to the traditional glass shrimp dumpling texture. Overall, I'm impressed with the results. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, happy cooking!